Francis. In this time, we would like to share you about the passive voice. Okay? What is a passive voice? A passive voice is a term for a sentence whose performs by the object. Apa yang dimaksud dengan passive voice? Passive voice adalah pola kalimat yang suatu action dilakukan oleh objek. Okay, in this session we will discuss about present continuous passive voice. Ya, pada kesempatan ini kita akan berdiskusi, akan membahas tentang passive voice present continuous. Okay. Ya, what is present continuous? Apa yang dimaksud dengan present continuous? Present continuous adalah kalimat yang menjelaskan suatu kejadian yang sedang berlangsung saat ini. Oke, sebagai contoh, kami sedang menulis sebuah surat. Ya. Oke, in English, we are writing a letter now. Ya. Nah, itu dalam bentuk aktif. Nah, kalau bentuk passive voice berarti surat sedang ditulis oleh kami. Berarti berarti bahasa Inggrisnya untuk passive voice ya. Jadi kalau active voice itu subject ditambah to be ditambah verb ing ditambah objek ditambah at of time. Nah, kalau passive voice itu dirubah. Jadi yang objek jadi subjek, yang subjek jadi objek. Nah, seperti itu polanya. Jadi itu sebagai contoh. Oke, next to the formulation. Mari kita ke rumus positif yang pertama. How is the formulation for positive passive voice present continuous tense? Ya. Jadi gimana sih rumus positif buat passive voice present continuous tense? Okay. For the positive, subject to be, being, plus verb 3 plus by plus object plus at of time. Okay. For example, sebagai contoh, English is being studied by us now. Artinya bahasa Inggris sedang dipelajari oleh kami saat ini. Jadi ada perubahan dari pasif, dari aktif ke passive voice. Jadi dari aktif ke pasif. Jadi kalimat aktifnya we are studying English now. Nah, itu kalimat aktifnya. We are studying English now. Nah, dirubah, change to be passive, dirubah ke dalam bentuk passive. Jadi English is being studied by us now. Tuh. Nah, itu untuk yang positif. Oke. The other example, contoh yang lain. Anwar is watching TV today. Anwar sedang menonton TV hari ini. Berarti dirubah dalam bentuk pasif. TV is being watched by Anwar today. Jadi TV sedang ditonton oleh Anwar hari ini. Nah, jadi formulasinya TV itu kan dalam bentuk aktifnya Anwar is watching TV today. Nah, Anwar kan subjek. Nanti subjek ini berubah menjadi objek. TV objek berubah menjadi subjek. Seperti itu. Berarti kita rubah TV, setelah itu to be, ditambah is, setelah itu ditambah being, setelah tambah being ditambah verb 3 atau past participle, terus ditambah by, ditambah objek. Jadi a TV is being watched, watchnya pakai idea, by Anwar today. Nah, seperti itu. Oke. Mudah-mudahan bisa memahami dari dua contoh kalimat ini. Okay. These are some sentences, active sentence. Please change to be a passive voice sentence. Ya, ada beberapa kalimat aktif. Tolong dibuat menjadi passive voice. Oke. Kalimat yang pertama. The first sentence. Okay. Budi is driving a car now. Okay. Number 2. Susie is cooking fried rice today. Number 3. Budi and Anwar are playing football now. Number 4. A pilot is flying a plane now. Number 5. Dede is buying a book now. Okay, next to the negative formulation for present continuous tense. Subject to be, not, being, verb 3 or past participle plus by plus object plus author of time. Okay. For example, Rina is not making any cakes today. Nah, berubah dalam bentuk passive voice-nya. Any cakes are not being made by Rina today. Okay. The other example, contoh lain. She is not writing a letter now. Dia perempuan tidak sedang menulis sebuah surat sekarang. Nah, so we change to be a passive voice. Subjek nanti berubah menjadi objek, objek berubah menjadi subjek. Oke. Tadi she is not writing a letter now. Dia tidak sedang menulis surat sekarang. Nah, a letter pindah ke depan. A letter is not being written by her now. Jadi surat tidak sedang ditulis oleh dia perempuan sekarang. Oke, itu yang negatif. Oke, contoh yang lain. They are not bringing any books now. Mereka tidak sedang membawa beberapa buku sekarang. Oke, itu aktifnya. Sekarang kita buat menjadi passive voice-nya. Jadi subjek berubah menjadi objek, objek berubah menjadi subjek. Sekarang kita lihat they subjek nanti berubah menjadi objek, some atau any books berubah menjadi subjek. Oke. Any books are not being broached. Ya, bring berubah menjadi broach ke verb 3-nya. Are not broached by them. Jadi they berubah menjadi them, ya. By them now. Nah, seperti itu. Oke. These are some exercise the sentence from active please change to the passive. Jadi akan ada beberapa latihan kalimat dari aktif tolong dirubah ke passive voice. Oke, yang pertama, they are not giving any pens today. Okay. Number 2, Xenia is not selling any bags now. Number 3, my mother is not taking any brooms right now. Okay. Number 4, Dita is not learning English today. Okay. Number 5, we are not cooking porridge today. Okay. Okay, please do try to make a passive voice from active voice. And next, we go to the interrogative formulation for passive voice present continuous. Okay, the formulation: to be, subject, being, verb 3 plus by plus object plus adverb of time. Okay, for the example, is the music being listened by us now? Yang artinya, apakah musik tersebut sedang didengarkan oleh kami sekarang? Okay, we go to the other example. Kita ke contoh yang lain. Is Danu teaching marketing now? Artinya, apakah Danu sedang mengajar marketing sekarang? Okay, that's the point, the active. We change to the passive. Kita rubah ke passive. Is marketing being taught by Danu now? Ya. Jadi, apakah pelajaran marketing sedang diajarkan oleh Danu sekarang? Itu. Jadi marketingnya pindah setelah is dulu, marketing, being plus verb 3 or past participle ya. Teach jadi taught by Danu. Okay, like that. Okay, the other example is Ririn eating an ice cream now. Artinya, apakah Ririn sedang makan es krim sekarang? Nah, itu aktif, kita buat ke passive. Is an ice cream being eaten by Ririn now? Okay. Is an architect making any pictures today? Okay, number 2. Is a doctor treating patient now? Number 3, is an engineer repairing any cars today? Number 4, is a nurse serving any patients today? Okay, please do it. Change to be the page. Okay, next we go to WH question in passive voice present continuous tense. Okay, for the formulation, WW question, to be, subject, being, verb 3 plus by plus object plus L4 of time. Okay, for example, why is tea being drunk by us now? Artinya, mengapa teh tersebut sedang diminum oleh kami sekarang? Are they making any buildings today? So we change to the passive voice. How are any buildings being made by them today? Okay. Ya, jadi so that's any buildings, object become subject. They, subject become object. Okay. These are some sentences you have to change to the passive voice from active voice. Number 1, why is Fifi boiling any water today? Number 2, why is Jaka sending any letters now? Number 3, why is Bernard taking English course today? Number 4, why are they watching a concert now? Number 5, why are we choosing that house today? Yeah, that's, please translate, please change to the passive voice. Okay, thank you very much for you watching about the passive voice present continuous tense. I hope that you can understand about this material. Please ask me if you have something to discuss or you still doubtful about this material. Ya, silakan bisa bertanya tentang materi ini, kita bisa diskusi kalau masih ada yang masih bingung. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.